Hello, 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 beautiful beings. Welcome back to Ism Genie. Welcome back to Sacral. Welcome back to Sex. Welcome back to Spirituality. I am M Genie, in case you did not know. I'm sure you know because you wouldn't. Look, my name is right there. You see me, right? You see me, right? Today, we are going to be talking about the Yoni, the coochie, the vagina, the kitty, the wop, whatever you want to call it. We are talking about that. So let's get into it. The Yoni. The Yoni is a beautiful place. It's the most beautiful body part on your body as a woman. Like getting a mirror and just, putting it down there and just looking at it. Like, I don't know if y'all understand the power of your yoni. The look of your yoni. Like, if you just look at it, it can really change your life. Because me personally, when I look at my yoni, I see a reflection of nature. I see a reflection of the I am. I see a reflection of God. Let's say that. Because this yoni can birth life. This yoni can be used to create life. This yoni is amazing. It's pretty much magical, just like the D, the penis, whatever you want to call it, just like that. It creates life. It is used. It's pretty much a body tool that you use to bring forth life, to create life through manifestation or, a baby. It's crazy that your body parts can be used to create your life and to create life. Meaning, if you are having magical, sacral, tantric sex, you're using your body to do so, right? You're using your body to create that energy that's within the partners to manifest. You're using your body to have intercourse with your partner to create life, a baby. So when I look at my yoni, I'm like, wow, I see a reflection of life. I see a reflection of nature, which is very needed for a woman to be feminine. How do you call yourself a feminine woman and you don't even look at yourself? You don't even look at your yoni. The most powerful thing that's, as the grandmas may say, the most powerful thing in your lap. My grandma used to say, you sitting on the powerful thing. You are sitting on the most powerful thing. And I didn't get that. We may go on, a lot of people used it for, okay, I'm sitting on the most powerful thing, so I can make money with this. That is true. You can make money with it, but it's a deeper connection. Maybe she don't even know what she was saying when she was telling me this. But I'm taking my own definition and using it. I am sitting on the most powerful thing. It can create life, and I can use it to create my life. It's crazy. It's not crazy. It's divine. Like, we are some divine beings. really divine. Now, looking at your yoni can, yes, bring you to a place of ecstasy. It can bring you to a place of pleasure. It can bring you to a place of, confidence. That's my word for this week. Confidence. Like confidence. You have to be confident in the person that you are. And in order to be confident, you have to come to yourself, acknowledge yourself, see yourself, talk to yourself, and get to know yourself. That's the only way you can be confident. Because how are you going to be confident and you don't know who you are? You don't know what you can do. You don't know what you got. You don't know what kind of mind you have. How can you be confident and you don't know those simple things of yourself? You may know someone else's, but you don't know yours, and that's why you lack confidence. You lack. So look at yourself, look at your yoni, care for your yoni. I mean, self-care is the best care. Yoni steaming. I recommend yoni steaming twice a month. Twice. Before your period, or you can anytime you want to. Before your period and after your period. I recommend it. Each time. Before and after. And I promise you, the cramps, the heavy bleeding, the long length of days that you have to wait on your period. Not saying that being on your period is not a great time for manifesting. I will be doing a video on that. It's a great time for manifesting, a great time to get yourself in order, to take a pause and relax in your feminine energy. Let yourself flow. Let it flow. Caring for your yoni is the best care for a woman. Yoni steaming, using a yoni egg. A yoni egg is just, a crystal egg. It's a crystal egg. They have different kinds. They have different kinds of yoni eggs. But look, mine personally is a crystal egg. I have an amethyst. Put the yoni egg in, do some Kegels, tighten that pelvic floor because we need our pelvic floor tightened. That's key. It will come in handy. Trust me. Tightening your yoni is just the most greatest thing ever, especially during sex. Especially during sex. We all know the Kegels during sex is amazing. You can ask your partner about that if you are doing it. If you are not doing it, it is simply squeezing and releasing while your partner is going in and out, in and out, in and out. You're squeezing. When he pull out, you are squeezing. When he go in, you're releasing. Because you're letting him go in. You don't want to stop him at his tracks. You want to squeeze when he's trying to pull out, and you go, whoa, hold on now. Hold up. Let me pull you back in because you're trying to slip. You're trying to slip on out of here, and I ain't trying to. I need all of it. I need all of it. So, yes, Kegels, yoni egg, get into it. Get into it. It will definitely help when you are, older in age with urine, because a lot of people is incontinent. And my first thing is, were they doing their Kegels when they were younger? Because I'm doing Kegels all day. I'm squeezing. I'm doing it right now. Squeezing, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, hold, release. I mean, that is my first question. I don't say it out loud, but it's always in my mind like, damn, was they doing their Kegels? Damn, sis, you gotta do your Kegels. That's me. No, I'm not trying to laugh, but that's just me. It's just me. So Kegels, Yoni egg, stick it in, strengthen, release, get into it. Get into it. Another thing is caring for your Yoni while you're taking a bath. Your Yoni does not need soap. It doesn't. Now, you can get some soap and you can wash your thigh area that's close to your vagina. You can also wash the hood of your clitoris, like going around the outer area. Do not put soap inside of your vagina. You don't want to do it, sis. You don't want to do it. It's going to burn. It can cause a whole lot of things that you do not want. I mean, the Yoni is self-cleaning. That's some powerful. You ain't even got to wash it. But you do have to wash around it. You do have to wash your ass, okay? But no. Now, that's what caused it. If you ain't washing your ass, everything down there is going to just be stinking. It's going to stink. But the Yoni itself, you do not have to use soap. Warm water is good. That's enough. It's self-cleaning. That's some powerful shiznits. That is powerful. Like, wow. Self-cleaning. Oh, you down there cleaning yourself, huh? Like, I have to give you an applause because, baby, you putting in the work. You're doing the things that I'm telling you to do. I'm helping you. You helping me. I'm washing you the right way. You helping me with my Kegels during sex. You holding it. I mean, the strength down there is holding the pee together until I get to the bathroom. You doing it. So let me help you. Let me help you. Let me show you how much I care. By washing you properly, by strengthening you with the Yoni egg, with my Kegels. You don't even need a Yoni egg. You can just do Kegels. With steaming you, making sure you're getting all the nutrients back again, eating the correct foods, drinking tea. When our period comes, we tend to lose a lot of, nutrients. We lose a lot. So we have to put that back in. Foods that are rich in iron, food that doesn't have a lot of sugar, a lot of salt. We want to stay away from that. Because we don't want no painful periods, okay? We don't want painful periods. I can't deal with painful periods. I can't do it. I can't do it. Take your maca root, neem. Y'all can get all of this on my website, Sweet Yoni of Oshun, on Etsy.com. It's so many ways to please your Yoni other than sex. A warm bath. Your Yoni appreciates that. I mean, hot is good. I ain't gonna lie. I like hot baths. I like to make it a little warm and comfortable for my Yoni. I don't wanna do anything to irritate her. Because she has helped me in so many ways. She helped me birth a child. I mean, the child and broke her, then tore her up. Right down the middle, just tore. But guess what that Yoni did for me? That Yoni healed itself. Came back together. I mean, this the Yoni right here. Yoni came back together. By itself. Now that's some powerful shit. That's powerful. So why not give back to my Yoni? Why not do the things that I'm supposed to do for my Yoni? That's my offer. That's my offer. That's small. That is real small to what my Yoni has done for me. Like, I have to do it. I have to keep myself tight. I have to keep myself right. I have to keep myself smelling good. Keep it all in order down there, because it's important for a woman. It's important for a feminine woman to really get into it. Get into the person that she is. It's important. It's important to step into that divine feminine energy. We are more than sex. We are divine. Even though I love sex. But we are divine. It's some powerful things on your body. Men too. Men too. I would love to talk about that maybe on my next video, but this video is for the women. This video is for the Yoni owners. So, I just wanted to share a little bit on, on that, on the Yoni, on healing the Yoni, on caring for the Yoni, on strengthening the Yoni. I just had to come on here and say that as me being this sexy ass feminine woman. I had to do it. So please go follow me on Instagram at MGENIIIM with 3 I's. And, I hope to see you guys next video. I really enjoyed. Hit the notification button while you at it, so you'll know when my next video is coming out, because I have more. And I'm just ready to dish them out to you. I'm so ready. So, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.